Voice notes, Bobrisky said something about a godfather. So it's obvious that there's a godfather somewhere that might maybe told him not to come, and nothing will happen because he has disrespected everybody here by not coming, and you are trying to force me to talk. I will not say anything. If I say anything, let me die.
My country people wala be like bicycle. Who is VDM? This man is so fearless. So they went for the call where House of Rep called them, him, Bobrisky, and EFCC chairman. So they no meet up on time. Now so they asked Verydarkman to talk. You know, all the things where he be they talk. He talk say I cannot open mouth when Bobrisky no dey here. He talk a lot of things. So make I play the video. Make yourself listen.
And I will not say a word because I don't want to walk out from the people that are going to respect my father. So I won't say anything until Bobrisky is here and the EFCC chairman is here. Thank you very much.
Number two, I'm just echoing what we are discussing. Number two, he's saying that he has not said he's not going to speak. At least we came prepared, we came with almost everything that is needed by this committee here. We have even come with additional evidence that is not even available online. We have come with everything. So he's not saying, I don't want to assist the committee, I don't want to talk. He's saying because that person who should be here, who is not here, who has sent a lawyer to represent he or she, that he is not going to talk directly, that he's going to talk to his counsel. That's just all he's saying, and nothing more.
In addition, I would like to say the man from my state, he said if I don't speak, they will not be going to take me. I will not mind being I will not mind. Let me sorry, please. And also in the voice notes, Bobrisky said something about the godfather. So it's obvious that there's a godfather somewhere that might maybe told him not to come, and nothing will happen because he has disrespected everybody here by not coming, and you are trying to force me to talk, and you are already throwing the little threats that you detain me. I was staying in the cell, and this is not my first time, it's not my second time. So I'll go and stay there until he's ready. But for now, I will not say anything. If I say anything, let me die.